Today, I'm going to show you how to make downloadable files on your Wix website. This is a fantastic feature that lets you share documents, PDFs, spreadsheets, or any other file type directly with your visitors, making it easy for them to access resources, forms, or important information right from your site. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. Look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. When you click this, a drop-down selection will appear. From here, go ahead and click on Website. This will take you to the specific website settings for the site you want to edit. Now take a moment to preview the website settings that are displayed. This step is important because you want to make sure that this is actually the website you wish to add a downloadable file to. If you manage multiple sites, double-checking here saves you time and prevents any confusion later on. Once you've confirmed you're on the right website, locate the Design Site button. You'll find this at the top part of your screen, typically beside a pen icon. Click on it to move forward. This button is your gateway into the actual editing environment where you can make changes to your site's content and layout. After clicking Design Site, you'll be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens. From here, start by locating the Add Element button on the left navigation panel of your screen. This button opens up a menu filled with different elements you can add to your site. For a more precise approach, look for the button element in the menu. Once you've found it, explore the button section and locate the Documents button. This is specifically designed for adding downloadable files to your website. Under the Documents button, you'll have several choices available. You can add documents such as Docs, Excel, PowerPoint, PDF, Open Document Text, or even a generic attachment. Wix provides various button styles to use that represent each file type, so you can choose one that fits your website's design. Browse through the list, select the style that works best for you, and drag it onto your website. Position it wherever you want your visitors to see and access the download. Once the element is added to your page, click on it. A file uploader will appear, giving you several options for choosing your file. You can select from site files or boards if you've already uploaded files to Wix, or you can use the Upload Media option to add a new file directly from your computer. After your file is successfully uploaded, click on Add to Page. This confirms your selection and embeds the downloadable file button into your website, and that's it. You've successfully created a downloadable file option on your Wix website, making it simple for visitors to access the documents or resources you want to share. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.